Turechmir in Mohi language means king of darkness or king of shadows, because it's a really high peak, so it casts shadows on Tirich Valley and other valleys surrounding, hence the name Turechmir. Some people also think that just because it is in Tirich Valley, hence it is called Turechmir. Mir means king in Mohi and many other languages. According to the folklore, local folklore in Chitral, Tirechmir is also considered to be the abode of fairies and jinns who dwell on a fortress on the top of the summit, and apparently they throw stones and balls of snow at people who dare come near the mountain. Climbers call it rockfall and avalanches. And it is also generally said that in Pakistan, peaks and high mountains are considered to be the abodes of jinns and fairies, and therefore it is also said about Tirechmir that these fairies actually possess men and women who actually try to climb the mountain. In Europe, they climb mountains just because they're there. In Pakistan, we climb mountains because we are possessed by fairies and jinns, I guess. But it's a folklore, and I'm kidding, I'm sure. So in order to celebrate the 75th anniversary of the first climb of Tirechmir, the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa Culture Tourism Authority is sponsoring and organizing a full-scale mountaineering expedition, a full-scale all-Pakistani mountaineering expedition in July this year. And the aim of this expedition is to actually put first Pakistanis on the summit of Tirechmir, because no Pakistani has ever climbed this mountain, this king of shadows. And I think it's a really great initiative taken by KP Tourism Authority. Normally I've seen they've taken a lot of green initiatives. They've put pods in different valleys. They adhere to ecotourism policies. And I think it's a very commendable effort on part of KP Tourism to organize a full-scale expedition sponsored by the government. Pakistani government hardly sponsors expeditions. So I think we should give a big applause to KP Tourism and KP government for actually putting in the money to climb Tirechmir. The expedition actually will be led by no else than Mr. Usman. He's the Director, Finance and Administration of KP Culture and Tourism Authority. He will lead the expedition. He's actually a really avid and expert climber himself. The expedition will be guided by Mr. Sirbaz Khan. I'm sure all of you know that he is one of the few ace and legendary mountaineers of the world, because he is part of an elite club. Very few people have climbed all 14 8,000-meter peaks without supplemental oxygen in alpine style. So Mr. Sirbaz will be leading the expedition, guiding the expedition, and under the leadership of Mr. Omar, and under the expertise and skills of Mr. Sirbaz Khan, the expedition stands a very high chance of successfully reaching the summit.